Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Today we will practice to write capital letters Q to Z with phonic sound. So are you ready students? Take a pencil and write with me. Q, queen. Repeat with me. Q, queen. R, rat. R, rat. S, sun. S, sun. T, tomato. T, tomato. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Students, write with speaking. Q, queen. Q, queen. R, rose. R, rose. S, sip. S, sip. T, tiger. T, tiger. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Q, question. Q, question. R, rose. R, rose. S, spoon. S, spoon. T, train. T, train. U, uncle. U, uncle. Now we will practice to write V to Z. V, van. V, van. W, watch. W, watch. X, X-ray. X-ray. Y, yak. Y, yak. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. V, violin. V, violin. W, well. W, well. X, Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y, yellow. Y, yellow. Z, zip. Z, zip. V, van. vegetable. V for vegetable. W for wool. W for wool. X Xerox. X Xerox. Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Z the zoo. Z the zoo. Students, that's it for today. Today's homework is write with speaking. Okay students.